Woman and Bible. Warm greetings to everyone. I am Dr. Hilda Charlesworth of Sebastian Church, Jodhpur, Ajmer Diocese in Rajasthan. Regarding a woman from the Bible, I would like to present a brief narration about Mother Mary, who is Jesus' mother and our mother also. Mother Mary was a Galilean Jewish woman of Nazareth. Her parents were Joachim and Anne. Before Mary's conception, Anne had been barren and was well advanced in years. Mary was well versed with the scriptures because during those days the girls were not trained in the Holy Scriptures. She was highly devoted to God. This can be seen by her praising of God in her Magnificat according to Luke 1 verses 47 to 55. She spent her time in prayers and housework. She was betrothed to Joseph, a carpenter. She was a woman of faith who loved God deeply and was obedient, which can be seen by her saying of yes to angel Gabriel at the time of Annunciation, according to Luke 1, verse 38. At the time of the birth of Jesus, when the shepherds and wise men came to worship him, she pondered all these events in her heart, according to Luke 2, verse 19. Mother Mary's services did not end up at the time of the birth of Jesus, but she mothered and cared for Jesus for 30 years till he lived with her in the Nazareth home from childhood to manhood. She did everything for him like a devoted mother, loving and nurturing him as he grew up. Mary and Joseph were very poor, as seen by the offering of a pair of pigeons at the time of presentation, according to Luke 2, verse 22 to 24. They had little education to pass on to Jesus, and he worked as a carpenter with his father. But still, Mary had so much to give to Jesus. She gave him the gift of moral values. She was always ready to help others in need. During visitation, when she made a long trek on foot through the rugged hill country to meet her cousin Elizabeth, when she herself was on a family way, according to Luke 1:39 verses 39 to 45. At the wedding feast of Cana, according to John 2 verses 1 to 11, when she noticed that the wine had run short, she requested Jesus for the same and saved the family from being insulted. This is how a mother in a family can follow Mary's example and be helpful to all those who are in need around her. Other characteristic features of Mother Mary are simplicity, quietude, humility, and reticence. Even during the passion, death, and resurrection of Jesus, she was calm and peaceful, not complaining or grumbling, and trusting God for all the events. The only message we get from Mother Mary is that we should be prepared to be used for God's glory by putting a full faith and trust in God, and to live our lives as a humble servant of the Lord. We must always accept God's plan, as said in Jeremiah 29 verses 11 to 14. Mary had so many ups and downs in her family life, but she remained calm, patient, firm, and trusting the Lord. From the time of Jesus in the womb to the tomb, Mary bore many hardships patiently and prayerfully. So in a family crisis also, just keep praying and trusting the Lord as Mary did.